Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I think this is pretty cute. It is a wine glass coaster and you have these little flaps on here that hold the bottom of the glass, and so wherever you carry it, this goes right with you and your guests don't have to worry about where they set their glass down. Okay, let's get started. For the drink coaster, I'm using cotton quilting fabric. You'll need one 7-inch square. Then you'll need 3 5-inch squares. They can be all the same fabric or you can make them different colors. You'll also need one 5-inch square of cotton batting, or you can use fusible interfacing or fusible fleece. Take 2 of your 5-inch squares, have the back side, the not so pretty side up, and bring the fabric corner to corner and press. And again, you do it on 2 squares. Take your 7-inch square and also turn it to where the back side is up. Take a ruler and place the 1-inch line on the edge of your fabric, and then draw a line, and continue to do that on all 4 sides. Place your cotton batting down, or if you're using fusible fleece or fusible interfacing, you want to fuse that on the back side, not so pretty side, of your 5-inch square. Then place your fabric square, your 5-inch square, on top and line up the edges. Then take both half square triangles and place them in the corner like this. Then take those layered pieces and place them on the inside of your drawn lines on your 7-inch square. Line it all up. After you've got it all lined up, then I recommend you place a pin on each side. Now you're going to fold and press 2 opposite edges. So fold the edge of the fabric into where it looks like that and press it with your iron. Then fold it over the top and press it with your iron and place some pins to hold. Then stitch on the edge here and stitch from this point all the way over to that point. And again, you do it on 2 opposite edges. Now go to the other 2 opposite edges and repeat. Fold your edges in and press, fold it over on top and press, and then stitch close to the edge all the way across, again on both edges. And here's what it looks like on the front, and then this is what it looks like on the back. And then all you have to do is put the bottom of the glass inside like that, and then they don't have to worry about where they set it down. You may want to also make fabric napkins to go with the theme of your drink coaster fabric. And also, if you want to have other coasters that are just very basic, I have tutorials for both of these. So make sure you scroll down to the description section and look for those links. I will also have links to placemats in case you want to do everything as a matching set. Also, I'll have my playlist of tips of the week, which are very educational, very informative. You will learn a lot about sewing. Well, make sure you follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time, and happy sewing! If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.